The Scoop. After we named the T-Rex, some men came charging up to us. Can we shoot some film of you for TV? One of them asked. It would be a big scoop for us. Nan and Jack said it was okay. The TV man spoke into a mic. He said, "This is Roger Fletcher. I'm standing here in the Badlands where 2 children have found the bones of a T-Rex." Here are your spelling words. The first word is trucker. Trucker. The trucker had a long drive ahead. Trucker. Kitten. Kitten. This kitten is cute. Parked. Parked. I parked the car in the parking lot. Parked. Duck. Duck. The duck swam in the pond. Add. Add. Add the money to my wallet. Add. Planned. Planned. My mom planned my birthday party. Planned. Offer. Offer. The store had a special offer on t-shirts. Offer. Was. Was. The pig was dirty. Now it is clean. Was.